Hello, my name is Reyna Carbajal Alvarez. I'm from Mexico, but I live actually in Nebraska. Um, I was super excited to be part of that event today, the Drone Command Live. So I'm so involved in everything about drones. I really love to fly drones, and usually when I'm working, I always like to listen videos about drones. So that was the way I found that video um, a couple weeks ago, I think so. And immediately I signed up for this event because I was super excited. I really love the way, guys, you give the workshop today, the energy that you transmit to people, the way you encourage people to uh, take our own decisions and start our business doing everything about drones. I think it was amazing. It was a great experience to me. Um, and I'm gonna answer one of the questions what I have here. So they say, why do you decide to attend the Drone Command Live? Well, I think I already answered that. So I love everything about drones, and I also want to. I've been having in mind to have my own business. I start to do everything, but I feel like I need that push in my life to take the control and say yes. I need to find customers. I need to. Uh, start my business for real. I feel like I start, but I never kind of push myself to do better. Also because I have a full time job. But my plan is like in the short future, spend my whole time, my full time, having my own business. And the best way would be to have my own business in drones because I love drones. I love fly it. I love to enjoy nature. I love to use drones to do what I like to do. Well, I think attend this event virtual. It was amazing because I don't have to travel to another place, which I love travel, of course, but I think to be to have the opportunity to work and at the same time listen everything about this webinar, it's amazing. So I feel like we are very lucky in these days in 2024 to have the opportunity to connect by Zoom, by Team, but all of these platforms that we have, and we can do multitask. So virtual things are awesome to me. I love that. Something that really I think I learned in this workshop today, it was like I already have the idea. I already have you guys. I already pay for this webinar, which I think it was my best decision I did the last week, a couple weeks ago. So it was such a fun event. Thank you so much, guys.